Tequila!
Hello, I'm Robert Jarman. I'm the director of Simon's Final Sound. When we commissioned Finnegan Krookemeyer for a new play for Blue Cow, we gave him a pretty open brief. We asked him for a comedy, and we said that we wanted it written specifically for 4 particular, very funny Tasmanian actors. So Finnegan gave us all of that, but he also gave us much, much more. He wrote us a laugh-out-loud comedy that has larger-than-life characters, really ridiculous farcical situations, and some seriously funny one-liners. But it's Finnegan, so of course he wrote us a play that also has a whole lot of heart. The main character is Simon, and he's a man who doesn't have very much, and he is about to have a whole lot less. And in a way, that holds true for every character in the play. Each one leads a pretty grey life, and each is in peril of losing the little bit of happiness or, and this is important, the security that they feel they have. And that's what the play is really about. It's about the fragility of ordinary day-to-day lives of some very ordinary Australians. The fragility of what we have, of what we own, even the fragility of our own sense of ourself. These things can be taken away from us so very, very easily, so very swiftly, and seemingly so very randomly. And so the 4 characters go off on a quest, a sea voyage, to find some comfort, some reassurance, some security. They want a new life. And of course, there is a storm at sea, and of course, there are winners and losers. And of course, it's not all just good fun. So, now I've made it perhaps sound a bit dark and gloomy. Rest assured there's lots of laughs, and that's what the audiences really respond to. But the play doesn't just tickle the funny bone of audiences, it also sets out and succeeds in stimulating our empathy nerve. And that's a pretty useful thing to do. So there's laughter and there's heart. And I think maybe that's what we need now.
Warning signal, what's happened?
Are we in danger?
In danger of turning into Oompa Loompas. Body workshop, people. First position. Leaning Shih Tzu. And breathe.
I accidentally pushed him overboard. Would you 2 give me otherwise?
I'll give a reward. Other side.
Wow! Which one's that? Look with the line and the tube. See?
Oh yeah. That's the saucepan.
I'm sure the saucepan's over there, Simon. Look at the handle. See?
Oh right, yeah, that really does look like a saucepan. It's funny, I always thought the names were quite arbitrary.
You're just pretending to know the constellation.
Yeah, basically.
Which one's that there next to the saucepan?
That's the toaster.
Well, things couldn't get much worse.
Yeah, at least we haven't had any storms yet.